Hello dear kids, welcome to my channel Kids Growth. In this video, we will learn about numbers. Let's start. First of all, we know about what is number. A word or symbol that indicates a quantity or a number is an arithmetic value used for representing the quantity and used in making calculations. For example, 1, 2, 3 are the number. Single individual number is known as numerals. For example, 1 is called numeral. Now we know about number system. A number system is a writing system for denoting numbers using digits or symbols in a logical manner. Now we know about types of number. The different types of number in maths are: first, we know about cardinal number. A cardinal number is a number that denotes the count of any object. For example, any natural number such as 1, 2, 3, etc. is referred to as a cardinal number. Now we know about ordinal number. An ordinal number is a number that denotes the position or place of an object. For example, first, second, third, etc. It indicates the order of things or objects. In this slide, we will see that what are difference between cardinal and ordinal numbers. Now we know about natural numbers. Natural numbers are known as counting numbers that contains the positive integers from 1 to infinity. The set of natural number is denoted by n. For example, n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now we know about whole numbers. Whole numbers are known as non-negative integers and it does not include any fractional or decimal part and started from 0. Or natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. The set of whole numbers are denoted by W. For example, W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now we know about integers. Integers are the set of all whole numbers, but it includes a negative set of natural numbers also and do not have a decimal or fractional part. All integers are represented by z. For example, z is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now we know about rational numbers. A rational number is represented in form p by q where q is not equal to 0. Integers, fractions, decimals, whole numbers and natural numbers are all rational numbers. The symbol q represents the rational number. For example, q is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 4 upon 5, 3 upon 2 and so on. Now we know about rational number in short. Q is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is non-zero number. Now we know about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers that cannot be represented using integers in the P by Q form. The set of irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash. For example, Q dash is equal to √2, √5, √3 and so on. Now we know about real numbers. All the positive and negative integers, fraction and decimal numbers without imaginary numbers are called real numbers. It is represented by the symbol R. Now we know about even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers that can be divided into two equal groups or pairs and are exactly divisible by 2. For example, even numbers is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. When we divided any number by 2 and remainder will be 0 are even number. Now we know about odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers that cannot be completely divided by 2. These numbers cannot be arranged in pair. All the numbers except the multiples of 2 are odd numbers. For example, odd numbers is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. If any number are divided by 2, remainder will be remain 1 or odd number. Now we know about prime numbers. A prime number is a number that has exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 5, 7, 11 and so on are prime numbers. Now we know about composite numbers. A composite number is a number that has more than two factors, which means it can be divided by the number 1 and itself and at least one more integer. Composite number always have more than two factor. For example, 6, 8, 9, 12 are composite numbers because these numbers have more than two factor. For example, factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. Factor other than 1 and 6. Factor of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. Factor other than 1 and 8. Other example are now we know about co-prime numbers. If a pair of numbers has no common factor apart from 1, then they are called co-prime numbers. For example, 8 and 15. The factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8 and the factor of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The following figure show two co-prime numbers 8 and 15 that have only 1 as their common factor. Do like and share my video and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.